Hi everybody! Today I will demonstrate mandibular anterior tooth preparation. First, we start by placing the matrix band to the adjacent teeth. You can see how to use the Automatrix in the video. While Automatrix holds the matrix band, by turning the ball left to right, the matrix band loosens up or tightens. The aim of placing the matrix band is to protect the adjacent teeth while the reduction of the axial walls during preparation. Here you can see the three burrs for the preparation. The first one is the shoulder burr. The tip of this burr makes 90 degrees angle. Another burr which we will use today is the pear-shaped burr. We will use this burr to reduce the tooth tissue above the cingulum. Other than these two, we will use flame end burr to form a knife edge step. Firstly, I insert my 2 mm shoulder end burr. We control the preparation depth with guiding grooves. If we want to prepare a 2 mm depth, we use a cylindrical burr with 2 mm thickness and form guiding grooves. Here I started the preparation from the buccal face. I prepare 2 or 3 guiding grooves on the buccal face. After opening the grooves, I paint the deepest points with a pencil. The purpose of doing this is not to lose the absolute preparation depth. If I lose the pencil stain completely, then it means I increase the depth involuntarily. Today we will make knife edge bevel because since the mandibular anterior teeth are small, we can't prepare thick shoulder bevels. The things that we should pay attention are not leaving undercuts, the location and shape of the bevel, to make a preparation smooth as possible, avoid damaging neighboring teeth and gum tissue during preparation, and avoid leaving sharp corners. After joining the grooves on the buccal face with forming a smooth surface, I will start to prepare the incisor face. I also form guiding grooves on the incisor face and join these grooves. Then, as you can see in the video, we insert the flame end burr. We continue the preparation on the buccal side with the flame end burr. Then we use the same flame end burr for the removal of the axial walls. While removing this area, I move the burr slowly back from the buccal to the lingual. Even if the matrix band is placed, If you move the burr uncontrolled, you may damage the adjacent tooth. I continue my step from axial to lingual with the flame end burr. When my preparation on the gum level and on the axial walls are complete, I insert the pear-shaped burr for the reduction of the upper part of the cingulum. We shouldn't lose the height of the cingulum at this step in order to keep the retention of the crown, which we will do on the tooth. If the height between the top of the cingulum and the step is less than 3 mm, the retention decreases significantly. Finally, I make the corrections with a yellow or red banded flame end burr. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next video.